Welcome presenters. In today's tutorial, we will explore how to create hyperlinks between slides in Google Slides. Whether you're building a table of contents, connecting related content, or adding interactive elements, slide links are a game changer. Let's dive in. 1. Select the text or object to link. Open your Google Slides presentation, navigate to the slide where you want to add the link, select the text, image, shape, or any other object you want to be clickable. 2. Insert the link. Click Insert Link from the menu. Alternatively, use the Insert Link button in the toolbar. In the link box, paste the URL of the slide you want to link to. Click Apply to create the link. 3. Test the link during your presentation. When presenting, the linked text will appear blue and underlined. Click the linked text to navigate to the linked slide. For other objects like images or shapes, the cursor will change to a hand icon when hovering over the linked item. Click to move to the linked slide. If this tutorial helped you, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.